Hi everybody, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and guess what I got in the mail today? A beautiful big box, and it says, thank you for your order. It says soft squares, and then this is the sticker I requested. It says, relax, don't worry. This is a present, or this is a winnings. Yeah, there you, can you read it sideways there? It says, relax, don't worry, she won this. Okay, so I found an actual cutter for this operation. I'm opening this up. And to be quite honest, I can't remember what I ordered. So Hannah and you and I are going to enjoy opening this up. Look at this nice stickers. Oh boy, there's mints in here. And my playing card. I tease Lynn about my playing card every time. And here, I need to put on a pair of glasses if I can find any around here. Can you see any glasses? My little girl is here with me, but I can't show you her. Her mama doesn't want her on TV. There we go. Got some glasses here. Alrighty then, Marlene, live sale order. Woo! And a relax, don't worry sticker is 0. So that's perfect. And lots of paper in there. Oh, I can't wait to see what's in here. Let's pick this up and look. Oh, we've got bubbles in this one. Oh! Oh, look what I got! Pretty Pears Table Runner by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. Those are so pretty, and the box is shaped like a bee. Let me open it up and we'll look inside it real quick. Because on the way home, I need to stop and buy Chinese food or Thai food or something they have cooked up for me. Oh boy, see, it looks like a bee, sort of. And here's the fabrics. Oh boy, those are Lori Holt fabrics, I can tell. And Gentler Times. 2 of those, plus a bundle. And here's the directions. So we're going to be making pieced pears. And the reason I bought this is because I grew up on a farm with orchards and pears, different kinds, you know, D'Angelo and Bosque, things like that. Oh, if I could remember a few more, I'd say them, but I can't. So this is going to be a special table runner for me. It has 2 5-inch stackers, an 1/8 of a yard of raisin color, a 1/4 of a yard of basil. Oh, that's green basil. 2.5 yards of cozy. That must be this taupe with the little flower in it. And then 1/2 yard of cozy. So here is our 1/8 of a yard of raisin. I like that. Here is our basil. 1/4 yard. And then there's this color. So is that 1/2 yard of cozy? Because then this is called cozy also to keep us going. And I'm looking forward to making that as a commemorative for my childhood. So that's my, this is our kit. Comes in here with all this goodie. We'll keep that to the side. All the fabrics and 2 tack stackers and this cute box that I'm going to use for a gift for one of the grandchildren. Won't that be fun? Okay, so that's number 1. And then the second thing I bought is a quilt for the 4th of July. And it looks like that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a panel with all that beautiful color around it. And let's open that up. Beautiful box with a nice sleeve on it. But you see, it's one of those magnet boxes. Letters from Home Panel Quilt by Bluebird Patterns. Oh, wow, look at those fabrics. And then here's the panel. Beautiful, rich colors. And red. Oh, there's a lot of that. And a lot of this. That's a lot of that. Let's read what it did give us. It gave us, oopsie doodle. The flag panel, okay, we got that. That's this one. 1 1/4 yards of red toss. 1 3/8 yards of navy, the main fabric. And 2 yards half a yard of white text. Other supplies, 2 yards of blue letters. I don't think we got blue letters. I think that's what you're supposed to buy is other supplies. But what came with it was the panel, the half a yard of letters, which is really beautiful, the red toss, and the flag toss. Yay, there we go. Now that all comes in its own direct decorative box. I'm so thrilled because I wanted to do something for the 4th of July this year. I know I'm making the Jane Austen commemorative. I'm making the Civil War commemorative. Those are both sort of, I look at as historical. But there's our beautiful Bluebird designs. Very nice. Okay, so there it is. 2 boxed kits. Both were exceptional prices. Together, both of these together was $95. And I'll bet you that each of them was about $95 to begin with. Excuse me for coughing. So there we go. There's my package. Thank you, Lynn and Marlon. I love it. I love it. Thank you very much. And one more look. There's my beautiful boxed kit for the flag. And it is a panel, so it could be the top of my table. And it could also be a wall hanging. Letters from Home. And then this is this cute pear table runner. Okay. Hope you have a good evening. And the rest of this paperwork is all wonderful stuff about all the stuff that she's selling. Best Quilters Advent boxes. I've already reserved mine. Quilt Retreat. I'm going in April. I haven't quite decided whether I'm going to do Karma Court or not, but I've got the money earmarked for it. And then we've got Be Part of My Quilting Community, and it's a nice full color flyer for us. Then she gave us a pattern called the Little Monster Pencil Case. Oh boy, would you like to look at this? You take a look at that. So she's going to tell me whether she likes that or not, but I'm sure she will. Okay, that's all for tonight. Have a wonderful weekend. I know I'm looking forward to 2 big days off, and then I think I'm working I'm off on Monday too. So anyway, have a good weekend. God bless. Bye-bye.